Hello friends and welcome to Sunny Tech YouTube channel. So in today's video I am not going to continue our T-Rex game. I am going to show you how you can insert sounds in our ping pong game, and I will continue my T-Rex game in my next video. Okay? So without wasting time, let's get started. But before that, give a like to this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's get started. So first we have to see when we need sound. First we need sound when we press space to serve the ball, when it hits the paddle, and when it's go out of the boundary, and when we press space, and when the game states over, like, and when we press R to reset. Okay, so let's get here our codes. Okay, now see here. First we want when ball will serve. So if key down space and then game state is equal to start, then ball will serve and we will play the sound. So for that we have to use a command play sound. Okay, now you can see there is the option choose. Just click on it. So you will get all types of sound here, or if you have a sound, just click on make a new sound and upload or record it. Okay, so I am going to use sound library as I don't have the sounds. So first just hit. Okay, you can see it's just let me find the okay. So in bell section I found this sound. So I will use this sound when we press space, when we press R, and when ball will collide with paddles. Okay, so just click on this and click on choose. So see, okay, and then I will close it. Okay, now let's test. So when I press space, you can see. Now I will copy this line and now see if ball dot x is greater than 400 and ball dot y is ball dot x is smaller than 0. Now see here we will, if ball dot x is greater than 400, computer score will be +1. Not here, sorry, we will we want to make this sound when it collides with paddles. So here ball dot bounce of torch, not this one. Okay, let me find the line. Okay, so here I have to write a condition. Okay, so if ball dot bounce of or ball dot bounce of computer paddle, place. Okay, where it was, place sound. Okay, now let's stitch it. Okay, great. Now to add a sound in paddles, we have to do the changes. So we will remove the ball dot bounce off option. As we have shown in T-Rex game, we have created invisible ground, if you remember. Okay, because it is not working directly. So I will just write if ball dot, instead of bounce off I will write is touching their paddles, or ball dot bounce off ball dot is touching computer paddle. Okay, now we will write ball dot bounce off player's paddle. Okay, and ball dot bounce off computer paddle. Now see, the both have difference. So I have created a collision detection. So when it will touch, it will bounce and it will play the sound. Now you can see it is. Now when the ball will go out. Okay, so just go to the line when ball will reset, and I will just in the line 139. Okay, I don't know which line do you have. Okay, so if ball dot x is greater than 400, computer score is equal to computer score plus 1, play sound. Sorry, here you can see choose. Okay, so where it is. Okay, so let me choose a sound. Okay, so in digital I found this fail.mp3. Okay, choose. Let's test it. Okay, now when the game state overs, so this is little bit complex, as let me show you that one. Okay, here text game over, game state is equal to. Okay, here we will write here if computer score is equal to 5 or player score is equal to 5, text game state over, and here we will write play sound. play sound, and we choose, and I have this male voice game.
Game over.
Okay, let me choose it. Okay,
Game over.
have you heard that? So this happened because the score is equal to 5, and it remains in 5. It is not changing. Okay, so we have to change the condition. Okay, okay, so to fix it, I will just create a condition. So first let me write a condition and then I will explain it. So this is the condition. So I have wrote that if so computer score is equal to 4, or there is a or symbol, or player score is equal to 4 and ball dot x is greater than 395, or here it is opened, it's close, here it is open, and here I will close it to open and close. Okay, okay, and ball dot x is smaller than 5. Let me see what is the problem. Okay, then only it will. Now see, to if we don't want to repeat our sound like it was going, so for that you just have to create a condition which will which will be true for a certain period of time. Okay, so here it is repeating because the score is equal to 5, so it remains in 5 till sorry, it remains in 5 till we reset the game. So it will play the sound continuously. But here we, in this condition I have given that if score is 4 and in 5 the game state will over, and to be in 5 the ball have to cross the x by 400. So if in 395 he crosses, suppose from here, so it means it will cross the 400 also, as there is no chance to save the ball. Okay, so here I have created condition, so when it will come in 395, then it will play the sound, and then it will move from 395 to 400 and the game will reset. So the sound will be played one time only. Okay, let me change this sound. Okay, female.
Game over.
Okay, and just close the inverted comma, sorry, parenthesis. Now let's test. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.
Game over.
See, so our game has been completed. So if you like this video, give a like to this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, good night. Good morning, as it is 3:53 a.m. Okay. So have a nice day.